How about a tour of the best price Class C RV with a twin to king bed? This is it. This is the 2025 Four Winds 25Z. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the E-Spec Essentials package, which means you get all of the goodies you need for a great time on the road. We're going to take you through the inside and the outside if you'd like to spend the next few minutes checking out what could be your new favorite Class C RV. So here we are in the living area. You're gonna have the one slide right here with your dream dinette, 84 inches of ceiling height in here, so there's plenty of room to move around and plenty of room to just hang out, sit down, relax, take a load off. You have cup holders for the ride. You're gonna have a meal here. This also makes into a bed, sleeping for 4 and seatbelts for 5. In the 25Z. So you're gonna have sleeping for 2 in the bed, 1 here, and you have that always, this is what makes a Class C, right? This over the cab bunk, 800-pound capacity. The ladder stores conveniently right back here, all right? So you just pull that out, and then you pull your cushion in place, and then you put your ladder there, and now someone is just enjoying a nice over the cab bunk sleep. Don't ride up there when you're going down the road. I know people want to do it. Don't. It is not safe. That's why we have 5 seatbelts in here. Even a curtain for privacy. You have a vent fan, even a smart TV. So if you want to turn your phone into a hotspot, which is great, you can do that these days. You can go ahead and stream everything you need. So this one is built on the Ford chassis. You can also get this on a Chevy chassis. Both of them are going to give you a mighty beefy V8 under the hood. So if you're a Ford person, go with the Ford. If you're a Chevy person, go with the Chevy. Either way, you're gonna get a nice, easy riding Class C RV. Sirius XM satellite radio on board, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, everything you need in a great motorhome, including a great kitchen, right? Flip up counter right here. Nice pull out sink cover, that just rolls out of the way, pull down sprayer. Cabinets right here, plenty of storage. Your microwave, your 2-burner gas cooktop. You're also going to have a 12-volt fridge. You have a 4,000-watt gas generator on board with auto gen start as well. As we move back, there it is, nice. Look at that, your freezer's up here, your fridge is down there, plenty of space in there, and a midship bath. So this is gonna give you everything you need. You're gonna have hooks on the door for towels, your shower, nice storage back here, very usable, nice dry bath. Not a wet bath at all. You have a foot flush toilet. All your tank levels are in the fancy graphic you see at the bottom of your screen right now. Real easy to use plumbing system on this as well. Great wet bay and a nice closet. Look at all that. Use it as a closet, take those shelves out, or put the shelves in, use it as a pantry. Make it work for you. It is your 25Z Essentials. Here's what's essential, a good night's sleep, and you are totally gonna get it right here. I love the twin to king setup. You can slide this cushion right in here. Now you have wall-to-wall bed, but plenty of room even on these twin beds. There's plastic, so I can keep these big old shoes on, right? Look at that. I can fit real easy back here. Little shelf up here, USB plugs, 110. Same over on the other side, push button reading lights. You have a vent fan. You have 6 cabinets up above, your blinds. Control for your thermostat is back here as well. This is awesome. Love this. And even look at that. Plenty of storage down below. You have a nice big old cabinet here. Look at that. Everything you need, just store it away. You can store more out back too, because this is a massive storage base. So let's go ahead and take a look outside at that wonderful storage you're gonna get on your 25Z. So you're gonna have a nice bay here. Rotocast material all the way in your storage bay, so that's not going to mold or mildew or stink. You can spray those out. Drain plug inside. Great to just toss everything you need in there. You have a power patio awning, so on a day like today where I'm obviously squinting because the sun is crazy bright, I could throw that out right now with the switch inside the door, and I would have a nice amount of shade. I could set up my camping chairs and just kick on back. Tankless hot water on board. This is where you are going to fill your fresh water tank. 110s right here. This is a 30 amp coach. You need to be plugged into shore power, have that 4,000 watt gas generator on. Right down here, a little baby storage bay. And then you have the granddaddy of them all. Check out this storage bay. Look at this. Massive pass-through bay all the way to the other side. You can load it from the back. You can load it from the driver's side. Again, that nice durable rotocast material, your drain plug, fit whatever you need in there. What a great way to have an adventure. Steel bumper on here as well. This is the 4Winds 25Z E-Spec Essentials package. It's essential you build your own and get that MSRP right now at thormotorcoach.com.